Hi guys, good morning. So we're 2 days out from the Ironman race. Today is Thursday. So lilipad tayo bukas, Friday, going to Cebu. Um, and yeah, we're excited. So this week is taper week. So light load lang, just to give the body a time to recover. So I've been doing light training the past 2 weeks, just to ensure that first I don't get injured few days before the race, and two, of course, to give my body time to recover. Ayan. So of course, excited na ako. This is my first time doing an Ironman 70.3 again after six, uh, 7 years. Yeah. So I've been away for quite a while. Syempre, ang dami nangyari. Um, the past few years, I got married. Um, I had two daughters, my babies, Mia and Sibella, 5 and 2 years old. And then I also went to graduate school, and of course, between all of those is work. Ayan. So, of course, importante to sustain what we do. Um, Syempre, kailangan ng balance yan all throughout. And fortunately, this year, and nabigyan ako ng chance to focus on my health. Of course, looking back last year, yun naman yung naging goal ko eh. So every year I ensure that I have this one big goal per year that I try to achieve. And for 2026, that is to, of course, get back in shape. Backstory lang, yun nga, few years went by, nagkaroon ng pandemic, di ba? So unfortunately, that time I wasn't like the rest of the population, where they started running, they started cycling. I was past that. So I was in my father era. Ayan, so I had my baby. And unfortunately, I wasn't not able to sustain yung lifestyle that I had. So I needed to focus on on taking care of the family. Um, First 3 years we were in Manila. My wife was taking her fellowship, and then later on we went back to Batangas. So fast forward last year, 2025. Uh, I was getting back in shape that year. I was more into lifting. So I was heavy. Kaya lang there was a time APE namin sa office. Uh, Ayan, nagkabistuhan na. And I found myself the time, unfortunately, medyo elevated yung blood pressure ko, and then of course yung result ng ng blood chem ko wasn't that favorable. Let's say, to put it lightly. um, yeah, so taas cholesterol. Ayan, tapos of course meron tayo history ng gout. So alam niyo na yan sa um, mga ka-gout dyan. And that really prompted me na it's time to have a lifestyle change. And that was around Q4 of 2025. Fortunately, that time sa office, we sponsored a run sa MOA. And so I did 25K that time. And I did some light preparation for it. Fortunately, natapos naman natin. But I felt na, ano yun? 'Di ba? Parang yung result ng finish. Sabi ko, ano yun? So, parang acknowledging na medyo mahina na tayo, it really prompted me to, it really pushed me. And yun yung naging spark um, for me to really get back in shape and make the goal to get back sa pagta-triathlon. Why triathlon? Una, di naman ako cyclist, di ako runner, di ako swimmer. I did all three sports as a hobby. Pero I'm not elite. I'm not I'm not probably hindi nga ako average sa all three sports na 'yon. But I try to be. Ayan, I try to be more than average. And I think with triathlon, it's something you do yourself. Wala kang, ang kalaban mo yung sarili mo lang. And of course, in terms of time management, sa'yo nakasalalay. Hindi ka aasa sa teammates mo, hindi ka aasa sa ibang tao. So, you are ikaw ang taga-check ng sarili mo. And ayan, so since we are in our dad era, I have to stay at home. So most of the time because yun nga, responsibilities in the morning, meron tayong time to work out, and then in between there's work. After, then I get to work out right after work. So fortunately, yung goal natin to do an Ironman this year, we were supported by Mega World, who is a sponsor, the major sponsor for Mega World Ironman 70.3 Lapu-Lapu. So thank you to Mega World for giving me this opportunity, and we're excited to race and see Mactan and Cebu. So Mega World has a township in Mactan, and we will be in the middle of it all sa race day. And we're pretty excited, especially since it's going to be my first time. Seryoso, it's going to be my first time in Cebu. I haven't been there. My family has been there for vacations, pero unfortunately I am not able to join most of the yung sa opportunities na yon. And literally this is going to be my first time with my family, with my kids in Cebu. So pretty excited. Excited to of course experience Cebu. Excited sa sabi nila mahirap daw yung swim sa Cebu, but I'm looking forward swimming in Mactan. And then of course excited sa bike leg. Yan. So yung bike namin will be in the new bridge sa Cebu. It is pretty long, so we're looking forward to have that scenic route. Yung weather predictions this coming weekend, there might be some rain, pero light lang. Pero I think it's gonna be in the mid so around noon time. So that's going to be around run leg na. So hopefully during the bike part, it doesn't rain that much. Kung ulan man, ambon, pero para it doesn't become too slippery for the bikers. And yeah, I mean sa takbo, mag-shower ka na, umulan ka na, okay lang kasi we need that to cool down. And yeah, so taper week, I'm gonna do 2K today. Just easy swim, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. Gonna pack later. Di ba ako nagpapack, yung bike pa lang yung pinak ko. I did it manually by myself, so hopefully my bike doesn't break, diba? So during the flight, so I'll try to update give you guys a story of my I'll give you guys the full experience of doing Ironman 70.3 Cebu, brought to us by Mega World. So that, of course, those who are interested, those who want to go into triathlon, would have a better understanding of what it takes, what happens, and then of course, um, get a vibe na rin of the atmosphere, the camaraderie, in this triathlon community in the Philippines. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.